Discover this surprising cough remedy. Try lemongrass tea today. This humble herb isn't just a kitchen staple, it's a warm embrace for your throat. Picture the farmer's market bustling with aromas. Amidst it all, lemongrass stands out, a hidden gem. Experts say it aids respiratory discomfort with soothing heat. So, embrace nature's secrets. Beyond just healing, it's a sensory journey in every sip. Remember, the world of natural wellness is waiting for you to explore. Uncover more health treasures with every like, insightful comment, and subscribe for updates. Nature holds wonders. Let's discover them together.